taken me far away. But don't you ever doubt, because I am coming back.